We have a very interesting announcement to make, and that is we are launching one of the most requested feature updates today, and that is family portfolio. Many of our members have requested us on community to enable this feature, and today we are making it live. So, in this video, I'll quickly show you how you can connect your family member and add your family member in your wealth view so that you can see the combined wealth of both the accounts on your Sharply account. Right. So, to begin with, you just need to log into Sharply and then click on this wealth view. Now, as you can see, this account has both stocks and mutual funds portfolios connected to into this wealth view on Sharply. Right now, to add a family member, you simply have this option here. You just click on it, and it will take you to this section and where you need to click on family details. Now, as you can see, you have this option to create a new family profile here, so you will first need to create that. We have some FAQs here as well, so you can read them as well before creating. And once you click on it, you need to give the name, so you can say that this is my family. So you can select my family and then click on confirm. So now you have created a family account, and in that now you have the functionality to add your team member as well. So you can add the family member here. So click on add a member, and then you need to provide the registered email address of the family member that you want to add. Now note that this member needs to have a Sharply account, and you will need to provide that registered email ID in which the Sharply account is connected. So I can take this email ID and then click here and then paste it, and now I'll click on confirm. And as you can see, the request now is pending. So we have shared that invite to Mr. Mayank, and what will happen is I'll also log into his account and show you how it will work there. So as you can see in the notification panel, we have no notifications for now, but if you click on wealth view, now you have this notification here that Arpit Chandak has requested you to join the family. Once you accept, the portfolio will be visible to them. So I need to click on accept request, and then my this account will be connected to Arpit's account. Right, so this is how simple it works. I'll click on accept request. Now, if your family member has not made any request and you get this notification, you can simply choose to avoid it. Right, so once you click on accept request, so then it is shown that now you have been added to the family. And if I go back to the original account and reload it, I can see that the account has been added in this family. And now, if I click on wealth view, as you can see, now two accounts are added, and now you have the choice to click on the switch to family wealth view option. And once you click on it, now you will be able to see both the accounts together. So this is consolidated view, this is this account, and this is Mr. Mayank's account, right? And you in the consolidated view, you can have combined analysis of holdings of both stocks and mutual funds, right? So this is consolidated, and this is separate views. So that's how easy it is. Now we would allow all of you to add your family members on wealth view and check the combined consolidated wealth of the family. So that's it. I hope you would love this feature and start using it as soon as possible.